Today I'm going to eat not one, not two, but 3 red bell peppers. You may wonder, why on earth would you eat 3 whole red bell peppers? Let me explain. Last week I was walking on the market and then my eye caught something beautiful, a color as red as my lips. Yes, indeed, I saw a bag full of red bell peppers. So I bought them, and I forgot them, of course, like all my vegetables. So, in the bag were 5 red bell peppers. So you may think, did she ate the other 2 red bell peppers? No, she did not. I did not, because they were moldy. That's why I decided to eat 3 whole red bell peppers. Well, not everything, because you know, the seeds, 1 second. You can't eat the seeds, because the seeds are poison. Never forget that. No, I don't have 2 lips now. I know, same color. Ah. It's such a waste to throw things away, isn't it? Especially disgusting vegetables. Oh no, battery is going to fall out. So I don't have time to eat all these disgusting red bell peppers. Oh no. So much better. If you have any request, then leave a comment below and who knows, I might eat the shit you want me to eat.